I'm not gonna point up on driving.
Hello? Oh, come here. This is Randall. He kind of hates everybody. I love you. So, welcome to my channel. My name is Mystique, and I am a teen artist. I have a craft sale coming up this coming weekend, so it's currently Thursday. We got today, tomorrow, Saturday, and we set up Sunday morning. So, I'm scared, but I have a lot of stuff done. You're gonna kind of see what I'm making these next few days. As of right now, I have no plans for the next few days, so we're just gonna be crafting, and crafting. I guess the real reason why I wanted to talk to you today is because I just bought a camera. Edit came yesterday and I had to wait to open it, but here she is. I literally took half my savings because, like, I'm basically unemployed. You know, that's why we're here. That's why we're making this video. So we're gonna open it up and see how it works. I'm so excited. Okay, here she is. Literally Gorgina. I can't wait. Grab the scissors. Tear it open. Also, like, in case you're curious, you're on top of a set of books right now because, you know, why wouldn't you be? But I guess that's what this guy's for, is so that we can film all the better angles. To say for yourself. And look at her. What should we call her? Here we go. Unsure what this is. Oh, it looks like this is the little tripod. Basically, you can magnetize it either way, wear it around your neck, and then it's like a little POV shot. Oh, and then we have the little magnet stand. Wow, and is she small? Wow. That is amazing. Snaps right back in. Wow. No bigger than my thumb. Wow. That is absolutely crazy. Look how sleek she is. Wow, she's not even like snappy. Like, that was so quiet. We're just gonna have to see. So in love. Okay, so we're back filming on the new camera. Still still figuring out the wrinkles and such, as you can tell, but I loved it so far. I only filmed like a few things, but I don't know. We'll see where it goes from there. Alright, so we have some Lily of the Valley earrings in gold here I made, and then we have tulips with some other charms and more lilies in silver. And what I did was I wanted to match this, paint this earring stand here pink that matches this business card stand I have here. So I might make it a little lighter, not really sure, but that is my plan for that. Here's some gummy bear earrings over here I did as well. We got the new card cutouts too that the earrings are on for when they're displayed. So yeah. Earrings were just sitting there for a while, and then we got the business card holder and the earring stand done. And at this point it was pretty late. I was tired, so now we're heading back downstairs. So currently right now, 8:46 in the afternoon after a long day of crafting, but now my next goal is to get these nails off because they're a little grown out. They're a little rusty, and I've had them on for a few weeks now. So I'm bored, but my goal is to get them off. I'll redo them on Saturday probably finish designing some stickers off of an artwork I did this past year, get those finalized, turned into stickers, and then I'll probably continue to work on the rest of my jewelry, keychains, pins, stickers, whatever else tomorrow. So yeah, welcome to the little aspect of this vlog. Yes. Good morning, sunshine. What are you up to today? Yeah. Oh, baby. Good morning. It is currently 9:30 today. It's now Friday. We've got a lot to get done today, but say hi to Randall. Oh, he's grabbing me. Wow. You're so feisty. What is your deal, Pickle? Okay, buddy. There we go. We got some light now. Yeah. Hello. I think he's just gonna keep attacking me, so I don't know. Take a look at this guy. Does he look nice to you? I don't think so. But to get my list for today, we got my handy dandy notebook. Here's my list of all the stuff to do. But to narrow it down, I think I'm gonna work on crocheting stuff that sold from the last sale. So like my fruit cats, the dogs, keychain little guys, and then maybe some flower tapestries. I never got to design these stickers that I took all my nails off yesterday. There's also... What? Do you need mental support? I need mental support. Anyways, but then we are going to focus on unfinished designing those stickers, print them, cut them out with the Cricut, and then we are going to crochet keychains. And then first things first, we're gonna make necklaces and maybe design a few more earrings. At least that is my goal, so I guess we'll see. But first things first, I need a fun little drink. Do you want any chai? the necklace, but that means we're just gonna have to wing it again, which may take like 50 billion gazillion trillion hours in my day. Okay, so here I have these few different beads. I'm gonna open them, resort this container a little bit because obviously there's like beads missing, and then I can store some of these in here. The plan is to use these cute little guys here, and then down in this little container I have these really baby small tiny heart lockets to make into these necklaces. So my goal is to make a silver pair, or make a silver necklace, make a gold necklace, make 2 of each if I think I can do it in a reasonable amount of time. So I don't know, guess we'll see. Okay, so here is what we have planned so far. I realized that these little heart lockets only come in gold, so I guess I'm only doing gold necklaces. I thought maybe I could just mix it with the silver anyways, but I don't know. I feel like that'll scare people away. It scares me away, so guess that's what it is. Okay, here is she. She is beautiful. She is gorgeous. She is all finished. It is currently 12:51. So ideally not the time I like to spend making jewelry, but you know, we make do. But now I'm like low-key smelly. So I'm gonna go shower, have some lunch, make some rice, do all of that stuff, and then I think I'm gonna move on to crocheting. And then we have a long list after that. So we'll see where we go from there. So we're back downstairs, and I have impulsively decided that I'm gonna move a coffee table like right here, because there's one in Randall's little litter box room. Say hi. But I decided I'm just gonna move it out here. I'm gonna sit here, crochet. I can put out my laptop on it and my iPad. One to follow a pattern, the other to just have a show in the background. Yeah, isn't that right? He agrees. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna get crack-a-lackin'. I've also decided now that I'm gonna move this rug over there because it's just big and empty over here, but that way I can put the table here and then still gonna fill in the space there. Even though ideally if I could just like have the rug in both spots, that'd be great, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. It's actually a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Say hi. Hi. So here is now the updated corner I will show you. So we have the table. I don't really know how I like it yet. That's all my crochet crap like right there. Don't even bother. Switch the lighting up here a bit. We have this cute little setup. What do you think you're doing, mister? Okay, buddy. Table doesn't quite match the theme, whatever, but you know, it's my parents. I'm pretty sure my grandma made it, so like, I'm not gonna ask him to change it. I have this lattice shelf over here that I've been setting the camera up on. In there is a laundry room. Doesn't really matter. Fireplace, bookshelf, art shelf, cat tree, and that's the gaming computer setup. So, I don't know. I might move it around eventually, but for today, I suppose that's what we're gonna do. So, enjoy. First things first, I need a blanket. Okay, now, first thing second, fruit cats. They're not even really fruit, honestly. They're just cats in onesies, but the tutorial I saw on YouTube for like making the onesies originally like made them as fruit. So like they're basically fruit. They're like just like they're fruit cats, you know. But here is the other dog one I had. And then I have a few more just like plain cats, but I don't have like onesies for them. I think I'm gonna leave them that way though, and get out of my yard, you stinky cat. So we're gonna get crack-a-lackin'. I gave away a red one and a yellow one, so I guess we'll see from there. Randall's enjoying himself in his box. Oh sure, you got something to play with. Okay, welcome back. It is currently 6:21 p.m. and I have crocheted. I'm gonna show you here. We got 2 cat heads. I know, it doesn't seem like much, but then I did 3 more of these little bunny guys. I decided I wanted to do all these sewing at once because yeah, it's like my least favorite part, but I want to make 2 more of these guys in like 2 different shades of brown, and then I still have to crochet the outside of these guys, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm thinking we're gonna do this yellow and this red I have in my lap here. I currently just finished another show, but now I am rewatching Arcane. I got dinner, we got the whole shebang, water pattern, and that's my update. So, guess back to the grind.
Thank you.
Good morning. It is officially Saturday. About 9. I got up a little earlier. Randall's being a menace, as always. I went upstairs, had some waffles with my parents, and now I'm just getting ready. We're gonna go into town, and I have a few things on my list I need to get, such as tablecloths, a bit of yarn, spray paint, some other things, but just like that. So I'm gonna get ready and then we'll head out. Okay, we're officially done getting ready. We got the bracelets, we got the bedazzled jewels. It's time to get going, I suppose. We'll see you there. Okay, so just made it back home and I've been doing a little setup as you could see. But we got the tent from my aunt, we got tables from my mom's friend. We could at the store we happened to find some tablecloths. What? Yes, that's what I said. We could find a cute little table runner. I bought this really cute little like flower mirror, which is like basically exactly what I was looking for and just like the type of vibe I needed. But I will show you the little setup here. This is gonna be our little checkout stand, and then we got the 2 other tables. Say hi, mommy. And then yeah, I guess that's all. I'll get back to it later. Okay, first things first, we're back inside, but I need to clean up this dang table. So I guess we're gonna do that first. Okay, so I have been home since about 12 in the afternoon, and it is now currently 5. I've had lunch and I've been working away. I have all my little pricing tags done. They've all been like cut. They're holographic vinyl on them, and they're all made so that they're really usable. I also made some like blank ones so that I can use like dry erase markers on them in case I like forget something or add something before I can like print it out. I've currently been working on this inventory spreadsheet so that I can keep track of the pricing and how much I have of everything, what it is, what it looks like, how much I sold, and then I can add it all up and make it easier for me at the end. So that's basically all I'm doing right now. Might take a break to have a snack or lunch later, but as soon as I am done with this, then I can move on to finishing up these little bunnies and then like individually price tagging everything. So other than that, I guess that's all I really have left to do. So once I finish making everything, putting everything in the spreadsheet, then I can go set it up in my garage on the tables you saw earlier. So I'm gonna get back to it. Okay. We're finally done with that. It's now 6:03, which granted I did just print a few things because I realized I needed to make a new one of these signs, so I printed that out, and then I also printed a little about henna, just like a little description, just like how long it'll take, yeah, and you know, the basics if someone's never gotten henna before. But these are like the little designs I came up with, or just like found on Pinterest, and I drew it out, put it on here. So I'm going to quickly laminate those signs, and then I'm gonna go set up a good amount of things in the garage, and then I will finish the rest of the things that I have to make. So after that, then we're on to tomorrow. We're officially done. Let's go set up. Okay, I'm outside, brought everything out, and we get to get started. So here we go, you get to watch. We're finally done. Okay, so I cannot wait to show you, but here she is. Boom. Okay. So obviously not everything is out yet, but we have our little checkout stand. The business cards will go here. We got the payment going. Got the little iPad set up. Okay, and then we have all the crochet stuff. Stickers will go in here. The mystery pins are gonna sit in this little thing, as well as my one necklace I made. And then the rest of my like singular pins are going to be laid out here. I have keychains there, earrings there, all the little crochet stuff. I couldn't even like fit everything out, which is great because I have this area back here, and I was like, oh, I can put like drinks back here, food, snacks, whatever, and then replace stuff whenever like something sells. So I have a bunch of stuff that's going to be laid out here. We have this mirror, and then the necklaces of course are going to be laid out there. The rest of the necklaces can be on here. Cord organizers, keychains, bracelets, and then we have these little seashell stands. All these necklaces and these few keychains in here, as well as the seashell stands, were made by my friend. So they're not everything's mine. I didn't work that hard. And then we have our henna set up. So these are going to be like taped down. Made a little sign. This is a little area. Put 2 chairs out, and that's where I'll be sitting. So, to look at it as a whole, I'm so excited. I'm making my dreams come true. So, I'm gonna pack it up, spray paint that, finish all my other crap, and I'll see you at the sale. Good morning. It's currently about 8:30. I'm ready, as you can see. Here's the fit. Put on some eyeshadow on today. I don't know if you can even see it, but I was feeling a little fancy. The plan is to leave at 9, so I'm gonna finish loading up everything, and then we're gonna grab a coffee and we'll get going. Your dingus. Yeah. Yep. Odie, I gave you a hat. Oh, I guess I don't need it. Right there. Oh, this is. I want all these necklaces. How about that one, like? Oh, I did it. Yay. I'm officially back home. I've been kind of rotting in bed for a while. We counted all the cash, got inventory updated, so that took a lot of energy out of me, and then I was just kind of rotting in bed for a while, you know, just doing the good old doom scroll. And safe to say, I made about $300 at the craft sale. Obviously, it is not a huge amount, but I paid $25. I guess I shouldn't say I. My parents paid $25 for the just like vendor fee, the booth fee, and that's what I made. Plus we made even more because I was selling some of my friend's stuff, some of my aunt's stuff. So in total it came out to like about $500, but not quite that much. So personally, I am happy, and obviously it's only my second craft sale. I'm still learning everything, so I think it went pretty well. Unfortunately, I did not get a whole lot of footage of the sale just because I was too focused on doing too many different things at once, but I think I got enough that it'll still be entertaining. Other than that, thank you for tuning in. And Randall says goodbye. Are you trying to eat my Cheez-Its? Cheez-It fiend.